Hi friends, my name is Neeraj and welcome to the channel. Today we will talk about procrastination. In one line, if I'll explain it to you, what procrastination is. So procrastination is running away from the situation or a task or excuse making. So we can apply 5 rules which I'm going to give it to you today and make procrastination go from our life. So let's start. So the rule number 1 is clarity. Means if we do not have the clarity in our life, we will never gonna end up anywhere. Let me give you an example, a story. Buridan's ass, Buridan's donkey. If you will find it on Google, you will find it out. This donkey was put in the middle, and on the right side and the left side, on equal distance, there is a bunch of hay. And this donkey can simply go and eat that. But he could not decide. The mind was not clear, and in the disturbed state, he could not decide that, and he was standing. He was starving and starved till death. He died over there because his mind was not clear about what to do and where to go. He could simply go right and have it and survived himself, but he did not. So the first point is clarity. We should have clarity in our head. Point number 2, which is deadline. For deadline, I'll tell you economics principle which is called Parkinson law. Before telling you that, I'll give you a study. In a university, there is a classroom which was having 40 students. They were distributed into 2 parts. 20 students in group 1 and 20 students in group 2. The group A was given an assignment and was being told that you need to submit your assignment within 2 days. And the same assignment was given to group B and was being told that you need to submit your assignment within 10 days. And you will not surprise, team A submitted their assignment in 2 days. But team B took 10 days to submit the same assignment. That's what Parkinson law is. No matter how long your deadline is, whatever number of amount, hours or days you will be given to a task, you will take that, you will consume that. No matter how easy the task is. So a deadline first, and the second is it should be short enough. It should be short and crispy. For a simple task, you cannot give yourself 3 days, whereas the task could be completed in 3 hours. So here the point number 3 is reminder. Means if at all you are making a task sheet in the morning and looking at it in the evening, so you can easily skip the task and forget it, and you can always always save yourself by saying I forgot and I got busy. And if at all the reminder is there, there will be a constant pressure in your head that you will at least try to attempt the task. So for your information, I can tell you what I am using. I am using Google Reminder. It's a free app. You also can download that. Or maybe if at all you have a better app, please do let us know. Thank you. So point number 4 is identify yourself. Ask yourself what kind of procrastinator you are when you start running away from the problems. It could be hunger. When you are hungry, you cannot focus. Maybe it should be a sleepy head. When you are sleepy, you cannot perform, you cannot act. So better you need to ask yourself what kind of excuse you used to give, what kind of problems you have in your head. So you need to identify them, then only you will be able to work on that. Last but not the least is 2-minute rule. This is my favorite and all-time great. Let me tell you why it is great. It's a great rule like any other rule, but what makes it special is just because of two things. First, once let's suppose you have given yourself a task that from 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. you will be studying a book, you will be reading a book. So 2-minute rule says that if you are not willing to do that, don't do it for 1 hour, but do it for just 2 minutes. Just 2 minutes. You open the book and for 2 minutes you need to study. Maybe if at all you like the story, like something in the book, you may go to 2 minutes to 20 minutes or maybe 1 hour. You may be. And if not, at least you will get into a habit which will bind you from the book reading. And that's the best practice you can ever have. So just to conclude the video, I would request you, do not start following or mugging up all the 5 activities. Just get one rule into your life and make it happen. And do it for 21 days so that you can make it a habit, and so that the habit will be very, very easy for you. So with this, I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching. And if you like it, please do share it with your family and friends. Thank you so much. Thank you.